Hi everyone. In this video, we will talk about when to use appbase.io as well as scenarios where using appbase.io may not be a good fit. Appbase.io lets businesses create relevant search experiences with no-code, JavaScript UI components, or REST APIs. Businesses use appbase.io to power fast and relevant search across web and mobile devices. If you're building an e-commerce search, appbase.io search technology is a great fit. Our search relevance and control planes allow business teams to configure search relevance without involving the tech team. Our no-code UI builder also simplifies designing search UIs and adding recommendation widgets to pages. Merchandise, add synonyms, create query rules, show popular suggestions, and more. What's more, these changes are instantly deployed without requiring any code changes. Appbase.io is blazingly fast. Your users will see search results being delivered in milliseconds. Businesses can also optimize their search performance thanks to our actionable analytics that visualize search and click data. Another great use case of appbase.io is for creating marketplace or aggregator search experiences. Appbase.io offers industry-leading UI components for all web and mobile frameworks, allowing you to build a consistent search experience wherever your users are. Our out-of-the-box access control features allows you to build secure search experiences, set rule-based access control policies, restrict IP and HTTP referrers, apply ACLs, and rate limits. Our actionable analytics allow you to gain an in-depth insight into both search engagement and conversions. One other great use for appbase.io is building SaaS search. Import data from over 10 plus database and data sources using either our dashboard, command line interface, or REST APIs. Use appbase.io to create a multi-language, typo-tolerant, relevant search experience. Use aggregation settings to create facet-based navigation tailored to your use case. Result settings allow you to configure the page size, fields to return, and tune highlighting settings. Now, let's go over some scenarios where using appbase.io may not be the best fit. If you're creating a search experience where relevance is immaterial, your catalog size is extremely small, or the speed of delivering results doesn't impact your conversions, you can look at some alternatives. You shouldn't use appbase.io as your primary database. While it can be used in this manner, there are tons of true and tested database technologies from SQL to Mongo to Firestone that you should consider using as your primary database. If you have a number of logs or are trying to monitor application services, appbase.io isn't the best fit. While it is built on top of Elasticsearch and comes with Kibana, we recommend you use a service that is specifically designed for this use case. If you're unsure whether appbase.io may be a good fit for your use case, get in touch with our team to set up an evaluation call. Thanks for watching.